Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal Universal School, Deshi. Dear student, today our topic is exercise 3.1, question number 12. Okay, you see question number 12. Lecture number 4, SW number 2. Okay, let's start the solution. Look, question number 12, if x equal to 3, y equal to 4, z equal to 5, what is the value of this expression? Look, you see, x equal to 3, y equal to 4, z equal to 5. If you put the value of x equal to 3, y equal to 4, z equal to 5 in this expression, then you get the required result. Okay, but I will show you another process. Okay, let's solve. Right, given that x equal to 3, y equal to 4, z equal to 5. Given expression is 9x square 16y square plus 4z square 24xy minus 16yz plus 12zx 12zx. Look, now 9x square and minus 24xy we can write like this way, 24xy plus 16y square. Student, notice I have arranged the variable here 9x square minus 24xy plus 16y square. Now left 4z square minus 16yz or zx, yz or zy is same, 12zx. Now to notice, can you write this like this way, 3x then whole square minus 16y square. Can you write like this way, 4y whole square. 4y whole square, that means what? 4 4 16, y then square, that means y square. Similarly 9x square, that means what? 3x whole square, that means 3 square, that means 9, x square, that means x square. Then look 2 3x then 4y. Now carefully look, 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24xy. You see 24xy. Now you see there are 24xy here and the rest of the term remaining the same. Look, that means 4z square minus 16yz plus 12zx. Okay, this term remaining the same. Now look, there is no need to write, but listen. A square minus twice AB plus B square. This is equal to what? We know this is equal to A minus B whole square. Now carefully observe. This expression can you write like this, A minus B whole square? Okay. Then this expression becomes 3x minus 4y then whole square. Okay. I have arranged this. You see 3x square, 3x whole square minus 2 3x into 4y plus 4y whole square. Okay, this is the form like as this, 2a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this is equal to what? We know a minus b whole square. So I have arranged this expression like this way. Now look, this expression remaining the same. Then we write 4z square minus 16yz plus 12zx. Okay. Now we have to put the value. We know the value of x is 3, value of y equal to 4. Okay. Now we put the value. Look, 3 and x equal to what? X equal to 3 right now. Minus 4, y equal to what? 4. Whole square plus 4 into z equal to what? Z equal to 5. Then what? 16 into y. Y equal to what? Y equal to 4. Put now. And z equal to what? Z equal to 5. Plus this plus this plus. Now 12 z equal to 5 and x equal to 3. Look, I have putting only the values here. Okay, I have putting only the values. X equal to 3, y equal to 4, z equal to 5. Okay. Now we have to give a side note, putting the values. Putting the values. Now we have to calculate. Look, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, right? Whole square plus 4. 5 square means what? 5 into 5. That means 25. Minus. Look, you have to multiply now. 16 5s are, we know, 80. Then 80 into 4. 5 12s are 60 into 3. Okay. Now this is 9 and this is minus 16. Okay, if we calculate, then we get what? 9. If we calculate, then 16 minus 9. This is equal to what? 7. Okay. I have written here 7. But which sign we will put here? You see, according to the number, 16 is the actually bigger, and this will be the minus sign. So you have to put here minus sign. Okay. And whole square. Now multiply, then we get 100. Similarly multiply, then 320 plus 180. Okay, you multiply 6 3s are 18, 0 8 4s are 320. Okay, 320, then 4 5s are 25 into 4 equal to 100. Okay. Now minus 7 whole square means what? Minus 7 into minus 7. That means minus 7 into minus 7. This is equal to what? Minus plus, then 49. Okay. Now put here 49. Now this is plus 100, then 180, then minus 328. Look, I have arranged here all the positive numbers I have written in the left side, and the negative number I have written in the right side. Okay. Look, now we know according to the Bodmer's law we have to adding at first. So if we adding this, what I got? 0 0 9. That means 9. Then 8 0 4. This is equal to what? 8 plus 4 12. Put here 2, and you have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 1. This is equal to what? 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. Put now, then 320, 320. Now subtract, then you get 9. Okay dear student, this is the required result. Okay. I hope you understood. Now I will solve the question number this. Dear student, remember this question is extra math, and this question is very important for your different types of exam. So I will solve this math. Okay. Look, at first we write given that what is given? Given that x equal to root 3 plus root 2. You see these values given, x equal to root 3 plus root 2, these values given. Now find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Dear student, now I think you have a question here, but I will discuss this question after 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Okay, when I will calculate this, then I will show how can I will doing this. Okay, look, at first we have to write 1 by x. I hope you can't understand now why I have taken 1 by x, but next time you understood why I have taken 1 by x. Look, 1 by x, that means this is I will write here converse of root 3 plus root 2. Then you get what? 1 by root 3 plus root 2. Look, root 3 is the bigger than root 2. Okay, so we have to write like this way. Then we have to take both numerator and denominator. You have to multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3 minus root 2. Okay, look, root 3 plus root 2. Okay, look, if I will cut this root 3 minus root 2 and root 3 minus root 2, then we will get the first term, that means 1 by root 3 plus root 2. Okay, so now we have to calculate root 3 minus root 2. Now see, to see, we can write this as a form a plus b into a minus b. Okay, then it comes root 3 whole square, then root 2 whole square. Okay, this is equal to what? Root 3 root 3 root 2. Look, square and square root, this will be vanished, then we get 3 minus square and square root vanish, then we will get 2. Dear student, I will show you how can we remove square root and square. Look, please notice here, root 2 or square root 2 square root 2, this is called square root. Okay, I will say in short form square root. Okay, or sorry, I will say in short form root. Okay, but this will actually square root. Look, this can be written 1 by 2, and you see the power. And power, this is the power 1 by 2 and this is the power. So power and power will be multiplication. That means 1 by 2 into 2. 2 to vanish, then we will get 2. Like this way, square root and 2 will be vanished, then we get 3. Similarly, square and square root to vanish, then we will get 2. Okay student, I hope you understood, but you have to practice. Look, now root 3 minus root 2, 3 minus 2 equal to what? 1. 3 minus 2. That means we have got 1 by x equal to root 3 minus root 2. Okay? Now adding x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x. Look, x equal to what? X equal to root 3 plus root 2. Right now, root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 by x equal to what? Square root 3 minus root 2. Okay. Now, plus root 2 and minus root 2, this will be vanished. Then we get 1 root 3, 1 root 3. This is equal to what? 2 root 3. Okay. That means we have got the value x plus 1 by x equal to 2 square root 3. Now we have to determine the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Now write given expression x square plus 1 by x whole square. This can be written as now look, this is x square plus b square. Look, x square plus 1 by x whole square. Now look, this is the this from, we know a plus b whole square equal to what? A square plus b square plus twice ab. Okay, look, if we transfer plus to b then minus to b, this is equal to what? A square plus b square. Look, we have got now a square plus b square equal to what? A plus b whole square minus twice ab. Okay? Yesterday in the first class I have shown you how can you derive the corollary from the main formula. Okay? So, now what is the formula? X plus 1 by x whole square minus 2x 1 by x. Okay? We have got x plus 1 by x whole square minus twice x 1 by x. Dear student, now look carefully. I told you before 2 minutes ago, I will answer one question. Why I have taken 1 by x or why I have determined 1 by x. Look, we know x square plus 1 by x square whole square equal to what? X plus 1 by x whole square minus twice x 1 by x. So at first we have to determine the value of x plus 1 by x. Look, we have to determine the value of x plus 1 by x. So at first I will determine the value of 1 by x. Then I have adding these two. That means x plus 1 by x. I have adding, then we get 2 square root 3. I hope you understood now why I have taken the value of or why I have determined the value of 1 by x. Okay? Now another question. Why I have taken the x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2x 1 by x. Why? You ask me a question, sir, why we not use here x minus 1 by x whole square plus twice x 1 by x. This formula also hold. Why I cannot use this formula? Your answer will be, you see, I have determined here the value of x plus 1 by x. Okay, using as we determine this result using the value of x plus 1 by x. So at first we will determine x plus 1 by x. Okay. So if now I use this formula, then we cannot get x minus 1 by x. As we already find out the value of x plus 1 by x, so I have used this formula. Okay? I hope you understood. Now come to the point. You see x and x vanish, then x plus 1 by x equal to what? 2 root 3. Put now whole square then 2. Student, notice here carefully. 2 square then root 3 whole square minus 2. 2 square root 3 whole square means what? Separately 2 square into root 3 square. Okay? Then 2 square means what? 4 square and square root 2 vanish, then you get 3 minus 2, 2. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 2 equal to what? 10. Okay, this is our recovered result. So our answer will be only 10. Yes, student, I hope you understood. Now I want to talk with you about HW. Look, HW number 2, if x equal to root 3 plus root 2, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, which is done today. You submit the HW copy on every Saturday within 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and you back